We can have a look at deal A. With deal A, the tradesperson charges £100 regardless of how much work they do, except that for every hour of work they do, they also charge £10. So if they do absolutely no work, they just turn up at your house, they're going to charge £100. If they do 30 hours work, they're still going to charge £100, but they'll charge £10 in addition to that for every hour's work they did. To do this, we're going to first draw a table, just like the one that's just appeared, except you're going to use a ruler to draw the lines. You can see the top line is for hours, and that's the number of hours the tradesperson's worked for. And at the bottom, you've got the cost, the corresponding cost for each of those periods of time. So we're going to start by looking at how much it's going to cost for 0 hours work, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 hours work, and in your case you're going to go as far as 10. Now going back to 0 hours work, if they do absolutely no work, they just turn up at your house, they're going to charge £100. So we write 100 in the cost row just below 0. You can see we don't have to put the pound sign each time because we've included the units in this title here. If you do 1 hour's work, they're going to charge £100 plus the £10, so it's going to be £110. For 2 hours work, it's going to be still the £100, then 2 lots of £10, so it's going to be £120. For 3 hours, it's going to be 3 lots of 10 plus the 100, so it's going to be 130. And very quickly you can see that actually these numbers are just going up by 10 each time, so that one's 140. And of course in your example you're going to go all the way up to 10 hours to see how much it costs for 10 hours. Now the next thing we do after this is we plot a graph of this information. Along the bottom of the graph you're going to plot hours, and they're going to go from 0 all the way up to 10, because you're going to go up to 10 hours, and up the side you're going to plot cost. Now that needs to go from 0 all the way up to whichever the highest number you get when you finish this table. So the highest number on the bottom row, that's how far your graph needs to go up on the vertical axis. Now once you've done that, we need to plot some points or some coordinates. The first coordinate is going to correspond to this bit of data here, so it's going to be 0, 100, and you're going to simply plot the point or the coordinate 0, 100. The next coordinate you're going to plot is corresponding to this data here, so the second column, and that's going to be the point 1, 110. And hopefully you can see all we do here is we go along and plot this, then this, then this, until we've plotted what's going to be 11 coordinates. And you should find that those line up in a nice straight line. Once you've done that, you can go on and have a look at deal B, and you can plot, well, you can first of all set out the table for that, and then you can plot those coordinates on the same set of axes, the same one of these.